Hello, and welcome back. David Bradley from the Box Room here. What I'm about to try is a cartridge. And it is called Q-BERT. Now, I'm going to put it into this Commodore 64, which is of course turned off. Never swap cartridges with the thing turned on. Now, I don't know. Actually, I don't know. Well, I'm going to turn this on, see if it comes up. Dr.Bradley presents Q-BERT. Select one or two player game. One. Okay, now I could use this opportunity to test the disk drives, not the disk drives, the joysticks that came with this computer. But I'm not going to. I'm going to use my Epic XJ, or 500 XJ, because I like it. Now, I normally don't plug things in with machines on, but joysticks, I'm pretty sure, are okay. Alright, I'm plugged in. Maybe. I went into port 2. Maybe I need to be into port 1. Let's try a momentary shutdown. Now, maybe I should look for the instructions. 1. Okay, things are not starting. Just a moment. I believe in this box we will find the documentation for Q-BERT. Alright. What do we see here? Oh. Pardon me. Alright. To score as many points as possible by changing the color of the cubes. Yeah. For one player game, plug a joystick into labeled control port. For a two-player game, plug a joystick controller into each control port. The first player uses number 1, the second number 2. Place the cartridge firmly in the cartridge slot. And back of the unit, press power switch to 1. At the bottom of the screen, you see 1 and 2. Press 1 for 1, 2 for 2. Makes sense? As soon as you do so, the game begins with round 1, level 1. Turn the joystick to the right so that the 4 corners make a diamond shape. Ooh, I see. Well, okay. I still see nothing happening. I wonder, there could be something strange with this computer yet. Possibly, maybe. Because this thing says the joystick moves 4 diagonal directions. These are the directions which Q-BERT hops around the pyramid. To start the game with 3 Q-BERTs. The first Q-BERT will appear at the topmost cube when the game starts. Remaining Q-BERTs are shown. Try to hop. Be careful not to hop. There's nothing here that I can see that says it's got things about red balls and purple balls and flying discs and other things in the advanced levels, but there's nothing here that says what to do next. And I am in control port 1, so I'm thinking it is very possible that there is trouble with a 6526 chip in this machine. Very likely. Because things are not happening. Either the cartridge is defective. Let me just grab another 64 and set it aside here. Things are falling. Things are falling. Now here is another 64 that I've been using to test things. Can I do this one? Not really, I cannot. Because it's a 5-pin and I'm not hooked up and ready for that. Let us look at this one. What does this say? Works, but SID bad. Well, that's not terribly enticing, but we would like the sound. What does this one say? Bad SID. Bad SID. Oh dear, 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 dear. Well, wait a second. What's this? No, this is one of the ones from the T-Pug repair night that isn't fixed. Alright, you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to be daring. I'm going to pull out the cables here. I'm going to take out the computers off. I'll take out the cartridge. Things are trying to fall. Oh yeah, first it's got to come out. Not this. Not the Epic joystick. Is it okay? Oh no. I think I hear an extra rattle inside. Oh no. I hope nothing has happened. Alright, here's what I'm going to do. At this moment, let's give this a try. Assuming I can do this. Oh, I'm going to grab this machine, which is a 128. And I will seek the video cable that is currently plugged in, which I believe is this one. Which it is. And I will plug it in. I think. Okay, it's in. And not a whole lot of room here. I'll set this down. Now here is the 128 power supply. So I will put this in. The power is off. I don't believe this power supply is even plugged in at the moment. Alright. So now I must find, I believe this is it. Place to plug in. No, that is not the cord. Oh, that was a light. So I think this is the Commodore 64. So we'll plug in this 128. There's the Epic joystick. It's funny, see, just because the machine turned on and says it's okay, doesn't mean it's okay. Let's see what happens with this machine. Did I do something? Oh, what am I doing? Oh, okay. I think that ball kills me. I can't see this very well. Oh, I think I died again. I don't need those. Yeah, I jumped off into the abyss. Alright. There, select. Oh, okay. One. Oh, do a one player game. I jumped off. Alright, that didn't go well. I jumped off. Why am I jumping off? I jumped off. Maybe this joystick is not the bestest thing. Am I dead? Oh, player one. Okay. Maybe I should switch joysticks. So you go on the angles. So if I go down, okay. The snake got me. Oh, am I still here? No. No. Alright, I think... the snake got me. Okay, I think maybe this joystick. I like it, but I think it is not helping me because it's hard to turn that thing. Oh my. No, don't drop things. It's hard to turn this thing on an angle to do the diagonal when it's not square. You know what I mean? So, I'm going to take this Rico. Hello. I'm going to plug it in. And we'll try again. So, I need to take the joystick, instead of holding it like this, hold it like on that angle. I think. Okay. So. Ah. It got me. I can't jump. What's going on here? I thought I could jump that way. Oh, okay. Oh, what is that funky thing? Oh, I didn't know what that was. Okay. Ooh! Back to the top we go. I'm like one step ahead of death here. I'm dead. Alright, am I dead? I'm dead. Okay, this will take some... You know, one thing. I'm going to do this one more. Of course, there's always the fire button. I don't know what the fire button does. So I'm going to try. Here I go. I jumped off. Didn't try the fire button yet. Okay, I'm going to go here. I'm going to press the fire button. It does nothing. Oh, I jumped right down. Oh dear. This is not going well. I didn't do that. Okay, so what have we learned here? Well, I believe that that 64, that I thought was okay, has issues. Because certainly this game would not work. So, I need to look in there and see what's what. If I can find it again. Oh yes, there it is. And it does seem that this 128 is quite pleased. Update. So Q-BERT works, but the 64 has issues. Well, maybe in the next episode, we'll look at Frogger, see how that works. Maybe we'll try it on this 128. Maybe we shall. Anyway, I need to tidy up the room. Things have assembled. Well, these things happen. So, until we meet again, keep your stick on the ice. Bye for now.